In today's video, we are diving into how to insert an image in a proper manner. First, insert an image into your Excel sheet through the Insert menu. After, go to the Insert menu and select Shapes. Choose a rectangular shape and draw it on your screen. Right-click on the shape and select Edit Points. Adjust the points to outline the area where you want the image to fit. After, right-click on the shape again and select Format Shape. In the Fill section, choose Picture or Text Fill. Click on the Insert button to select the picture from your drive. And now, the selected picture will now fill the shape you drew, fitting exactly into the defined points. This is the actual format, how to auto-fit image into screen.
Thanks for watching today's video on All About PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and software tricks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.